Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to prove that sec8A minus 1 divided by sec4A minus 1 equal to tan8A divided by tan2A. So here I am going to take the LHS, left hand side. So here writing sec8A minus 1 divided by sec4A minus 1. So we know that the formula cos A equal to 1 by sec A, or we can write sec A equal to 1 by cos A. So the same thing we can write 1 by cos 8A minus 1 divided by 1 by cos 4A minus 1. So if I take the LCM, so here the come cos 8A is the LCM. So here if we can solve, then we can find 1 minus cos 8A, and here 1 minus cos 4A divided by cos 4A. So this is the form of P by Q x by y. So here if things like this, PQ right, y that go up, x in down. So here we can write 1 minus cos 8A, and here this go up, so we can write cos 4A, and here it will down, so 1 minus cos 4A into cos 8A is the down, so we can write cos 8A. Now here we need to make this in the form of tan. So cos, it's already come. Now we need to change this in the sine form. This one also in the sine form. So we know that cos 2A equal to 1 minus 2 sine square A. Okay, the same thing. So if I do here, if I multiply 2 with 2A, so here 1 minus 2 sine square, so we can write 2A. So this is the formula of cos 2A. Okay, so we need to calculate 1 minus. So here what I'm trying to do, so going to make that this is cos 4A and 1 minus 2 sine square A. So here I'm going to make that on this right side, so it comes 2 sine square 2A is there, and 1 minus cos 4A. So 1 minus cos 4A, in place of 1 minus cos 4A we can write 2 sine square 2A. Okay, and for cos 8A, so if I multiply here, so cos 2A equal to, or directly write this one, 2 sine square 2A equal to 1 minus cos 4A. So if I multiply, okay, I'll use this one, this formula once again, cos 2A equal to 1 minus 2 sine square A. So if I multiply 4, so here 4 also multiply, so this become cos 8A equal to 1 minus 2 sine square 4A. Now if I simplify this, so here it become 2 sine square 4A equal to 1 minus cos 8A. So 1 minus cos 8A we can write 2 sine square 4A into cos 4A, and 1 by 1 minus cos 4a, we can write 2 sin square 2a into cos 8a. Now hereafter the next is, so here what I'm trying to do, so there is 2 sin square 4a, so making here writing sin 4a into 2 sin 4a into cos 4a, and here at this place, so just simply writing this sin square 2a into cos 8a. Now we know that sin 2a equal to 2 sin a into 2 sin a into cos a. The same with, so a, and here this is the 4a, so it become, if I multiply this with 4, so here 4 come, so it becomes sin 8a. So in place of this we can write sin 8a, and here about this one we can write sin 2 into 2a, and this one we can write sin 8a. So sin 2a equal to 2 sin a into cos a, multiply with 4 everywhere, so it becomes 2 sin 4a into cos 4a, the value is sin 8a, and here this is cos 8a and 2 sin a square 2a. Now this formula is this become tan 8a, and here sin 2a, we know that 2 sin a into cos a, so in place of a 2 is there, so we are writing, and here about this 2 sin a by cos a, so we can write tan a, so here 8 is there, so we can write tan 8. Now 2 sin a square 2a, 2 is cancel, 1 sin, this is cancel, 1 sin a cancel, finally the value come cos 2a divided by sin 2a into tan 8a, so cos 2a by sin 2a, that become cot 2a, and here tan 8a, so cot 2a equal to 1 by tan 2a, tan 8a, so here we can write tan 8a divided by tan 2a, so tan 8a divided by tan 2a, so this we need to go, finally we get, so here LHS equal to RHS, this one, that's the proved. So this is the way we can prove this kind of question. So it's little complicated, but formula must be remembered, cos 2a sin 2a, this kind of formula must be remembered. After that you can easily get the output. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over, so thanks for watching, see you next video. Thank you.